Good afternoon, everyone. Okay, today's topic is resistor, and resistor is nothing but it is a material of known resistance. We can say that as it is a component of a known resistance. There are two types of resistance, that is carbon resistance and wire wound resistance. Let us come to the wire wound resistance. Wire wound resistance are made by winding the wire of alloy such as nichrome, manganese. They are used in resistance boxes. Okay, while coming to the carbon resistor, these are the resistor made up of carbon, and it have cylindrical in shape, and they provided the two wires for the electrical connection, and they are cheap and compact. They are very widely used in electronic circuits. Carbon resistors are cylindrical in shape. Their length is few centimeter and diameter is a few millimeter. Because of small size of resistor, color code is used to find the resistance value. And the next step is how to find out the color code. That is a step to find the resistance value. Okay, in the given diagram, that is a resistance. There is a generally available carbon resistor, and I wrote that as 1 2 3 4. That are nothing but the rings have the different colors. That is to find the steps of resistance. Let us take the first step. That is the first two rings. That is nothing but 1 and 2 indicates the first two digits in the numerical value. Okay, then come to the second one. The third ring indicates the decimal multiplier, and the fourth ring indicates the tolerance or possible variation in the percentage. If the fourth ring have the not having a tolerance, then we can write that as a tolerant as the 20%. If the third ring is gold or silver, then for a gold we can write the multiplier as 10 to the power of minus 1. For silver we can write the tolerance as the 10 to the power of minus 2. Okay, these are the steps to find the resistance value. Next, let us remember the sentence of the colors which are having a sequence. Then I wrote the colors having the sequence in the form of BB Roy, that is BBROY, GBV, GW, GS, and last one no color. That is no color have the tolerance of 20%. Okay, that is here B indicates the first one, black, brown, red, orange, yellow, green, blue, violet, gray, white, gold. S indicates the silver and no color. Okay, then numerically, while taking a first step, that is a numerical means we can, if we are the two colors, first two colors as the black or BB, that is black or brown, we can use for the black 0, brown 1, red 2, orange 3, yellow 4, green 5, blue 6, violet 7, and gray 8, and last one white is 9. And for the gold, silver, and no color, we have to use the multiplier. That is for the third and fourth layers. Okay, then while coming to the multiplier also, we have to take in terms of third ring. That is if the third have the different colors, that is like a let us take an example of black. If third color have the black, then the multiplier can be written as 10 to the power of 0, or the value is found to be 1. For a brown, we can write the multiplier as 10 to the power of 1, red 10 to the power of 2, orange 10 to the power of 3, yellow 10 to the power of 4, green 10 to the power of 5, blue 10 to the power of 6, violet 10 to the power of 7, gray 10 to the power of 8, and white 10 to the power of 9. For a gold, if the multiplier, that is a third ring have the gold color, then we can write the multiplier as 10 to the power of minus 1. If it have the silver color, then we can write that as 10 to the power of minus 2, and it have no color, then the tolerance is found to be we can write the tolerance as the 20% directly. Okay, If the fourth ring have the color gold and silver, if gold, then we can write that as it have the 5% tolerance. If it is silver, then we can write that as a 10% tolerance. Then the fourth ring have the no color, we can write that as it have the tolerance of 20%. Thank you. Let us know about how to remember this sequence of colors. Okay, I wrote that as generally all physics lecturers use these codes. That is a BB Rai goes to Bombay. Why? Great way. Or we can use another one to remember the sequence. That is BB Rai of Great Britain have a very good wife wearing gold silver necklace. Okay, these are the steps to find the resistance value and remember the sequence. Okay, if you have any doubts, visit my site easy to understand physics or mail to my Gmail ID, that is channacnh@gmail.com. Thank you.